As we get older, can you guess what is the most widespread disability we face, which currently affects more than 350,000 Canadians? It's hearing loss, and that number is expected to rise as our population ages. So what can we do to protect our hearing? V. Cooper takes a look.
Nearly 1 in 4 adult Canadians report having some difficulty hearing.
You're not entirely sure and you don't know how much of a loss you have. And a hearing test will pretty much definitively tell you how you compare.
But life is busy, and many of us may put off making an appointment for that test.
Probably in my early 50s, I had my hearing tested. My kids would make fun of me, because I couldn't hear them or misunderstand what they were saying.
Rick Weigel made that appointment, received a baseline printout of his hearing, then
was in denial still for a number of years, and it was about 8 years before I finally went back and had a second hearing test.
That second test confirmed hearing aids would greatly improve his quality of life.
A lot of people don't even notice.
Because technology has shrunk the hearing aids to the size of a fingernail. And now technology is helping people screen their hearing from the comfort of their own home.
People are skeptical to sort of take the extra distance to get into an office, book an appointment. Virtual hearing test gives you the advantage that it can be done at the patient's convenience, really.
That patient answers a series of online questions about their hearing capabilities, then clicks their mouse as they hear various frequencies.
You want to get a threshold, the softest sound that individual can hear.
Kite.
Results are graded, pass or fail.
And if they fail a test, then there's a recommendation that they go into a clinic for a more comprehensive test.
And what if you already have hearing aids, but you're having a problem and can't get to a clinic?
So they can get on virtually with the audiologist.
How can I help you today?
And oftentimes we can resolve that problem immediately over the phone with them, or we can direct them to a local reputable consultant in their area.
Time is important, and by being able to just connect on the computer just makes my life so much easier.
Connecting via computer to stay connected with the sounds around you.